Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be trying out Russian tips for the first time. I have this but I haven't used it, so this is my opportunity to actually use it. I'm going to be trying it out with 5 different colors: yellow, orange, red, blue and green. So if you have already, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, try this video out and tell me what you think about Russian tips. I'm going to be starting off with at this stage I'm going to be testing. No, you're testing the microphone. Don't mind me. So I'm just going to be testing it out though. So now I'm going to pipe two kind of piping, the wrong and the right. The first one is the wrong, the second one is the right one. If you look at the first one, it's all mushy and spreading on the ground, and the second one is piped properly. When you look at it from the top, you can actually see the definition of the work, the piping work. So I'm going to try out those 5 colors and see what it looks like. This is like a grass effect. The first one is pressed and the second one is very well done. So I'm just gonna go over the ones I've done, like this rose over here. It's pretty. This one didn't give me the result I was actually looking for, but it still looks okay. So I'm gonna be trying out red, which is a rose kind of Russian tip. I hope it looks like a rose. Okay, this is the bad one, and it looks doesn't look like a rose. It looks mushy. It looks like a weed. No, but I'm going to try the second one. The second one didn't actually turn out the way I expected it to. Expected it to. But if you watch the video a little further, you'd see where I tried it out over and over again. So this is the snow Russian tip. I really love this one because it will be very perfect for a frozen kind of cake. Yeah, you can just do sharp work, pim, instead of actually using a cutout or a using fondant. You can just press this round and my dear, you're good. You can use white or you can use blue. So these are the results of these 5 tips. I have like 10. No, I wanted to go 7, 8. I think like 8 of it. I have 12 of it. So I'm just gonna try out the ones that I can, and I'm gonna show you the ones that I couldn't try out. Maybe you can try them out and give me your own review. So at this stage I'm going to try mixing 2 colors and see what it turns out and see the results. This one actually turned out nice, but one thing I noticed is whenever you pipe one, you should clean up. If you don't clean up and you keep piping with the residue on the tip of the tip, it keeps giving a messy job, and you wouldn't want that. So whenever you pipe one, you clean up and continue piping. That's just the trick about this. So these are the few ones I've tried out. I did like an ombre kind of, I have like an ombre kind of thing going on there, so I really like it. It turned out really nice. So I'm going to try the rose one all over again, because the one I did initially was quite bad. But this one turned out fine. It's beautiful, pretty. So it's something you can just, if you want to be lazy while decorating, you can just do some roses and pipe some leaves by the side and you're good. And this one you can do like a grass, or if you don't want to do green, and maybe you're doing like a bowl of spaghetti kind of cake, you can also use the grass Russian tip to make the spaghetti. Make sense? Awesome. So these are the few that I was able to make. I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful. This is just me just trying out new things and spicing things up. So if you've been wondering what a particular kind of Russian tip would look like, this is what it looks like. So you can buy some new type. There's so many out there, so you can try them out. Tag me on Instagram, share this video to somebody who needs it, subscribe to this channel. If you've watched up to this level, that means you enjoy this content. Please be nice and subscribe to this channel. These are the tips that I did not use. So some of them look fine, some I don't know. I don't even want to imagine what they would look like, but you just do the math, do the imagination. Thank you for watching. Bye.